Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is coming out. He's very serious about this. And he's saying, some are wicked. And he's asking the question as well, are we gods? Now, the reason why he's asking this is because some things have been going on social media. And he's speaking on this with a strong feeling coming out of it because he's saying that people are doing too much now. And social media is the place that it's happening. It's starting on social media. And Dwayne wants this to end. And so he is speaking up on this. So go ahead, go hear what he has to say. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies and supporters out there, that are having their wonderful birthdays today. Happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my family, or whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. Let us all be mindful of where we stand and be mindful of what we do in life. Remember, social media itself is a real place. And when we do things on social media, it also follows us in our daily lives. We have to be mindful of that and also ensure that we're taking precautions, walking by faith, covering ourselves every single day because we know not when or who may pounce upon us. Be careful as we go along life's journey because we never know. And ensure that we're doing good on all platforms, and not only on platforms, but in life as well. Have yourselves a beautiful and safe day out there, and enjoy.
Me telling you enough time me you sit up on live stream and endorse people that say if the one they dead tomorrow, we are coming to come jump for joy. And me not say dead like say for natural causes, like say somebody harm them, when I say yes, we're going to come jump for joy. And me use my ears and hear one say, if they don't take boy dead tomorrow, we're not gonna happy. Them say, yes, my boss. Who are we? Who are we to come out here and pretend like we are God himself? Are we God? Who gives us the right to come out and say, yeah, that one if he didn't know, that one if it... And some of you out both say, where you say what? Here today gone to a go away! Here today gone to your backside. Move for yes, sir. If it's for you alone, enough people without them with that blood clot dead long time because you too have been a thorn in people's lives for the longest time to come. You've been a thorn in people's lives. You! Who are you to come and say, here today? God for back, sit down. God for back, sit down, but here today gone to my blood clot. The time the phone about tag what I say on God, on what you people on want to find God, go and find God. Cause trust me, without God, on is nothing. Stop worshipping man. What I'm telling you. Stop. I'm gonna care. Let my life drop. Let it drop. Make it drop. Stop worshipping man. And me realize say no. Nothing I know what I don't want people bow down to. No. I don't want people bow down to. Oh no. I mean, look at over here now. Look at over here. Them not coming. Okay, you know why them not coming? Because they're afraid of honor. They're afraid of honor platform holders. Because if you want to sit them over here, you want to cuss them one, and two, you want to block them and do the most towards them. So you people want to drive fear in a people pioneer. I'm gonna tell you this. You people are the author of your own phone. You're the author of your own story. You control your own device. None of us is putting on credit, data, nor Wi-Fi on your phones. If you don't pay on a bill, you can't come for social media. when social media, when these accounts was being created, if you didn't have sense, you could have not created an account first name, second name, date of birth. You could have not entered those things unless you had a family member did it for you. You control your own world yourself. I'm not saying if people on pages disrespecting people that you like to go there and comment. No, I never realized if people are classing the people them and this on enough on love God and pull up and make the most content, because clearly this is how a lot of you thrive. This is how a lot of you thrive on contention. On a thrive on contention. You do. Many of you factors you thrive on contention. I'm telling you, without contention, nothing will suffer. Without contention, many of you will suffer. And that's the truth. This is why nothing on you don't want the nastiness to done, because on a note, if it done now, on a fact, let's be real. If the contention done finishes tomorrow, you will be effed. I know. This one don't want it done. But I would encourage enough of you people on here. Don't make because of your actions on here. Do not allow because of your actions on here someone who you think you detest, you hate, might just lose their 3 points. Do not make this because of you. This happens to that person. Don't make because of your support, you supporting X, Y, or Z, or A, B, or C. Someone you claim you dislike on here lose their 3 points. Because trust me, their blood will be on your hands too. Their blood is going to be on your hands too. Whether you accept or you don't, whether you will accept it or not, their blood is going to be on your hands too. You know why? Because you continued to support the fuckery. I mean, I'm being blunt. I have to be blunt. I'm sorry if anyone is getting offended by my choice of words, but in fact, I am not sorry. I am not sorry. I am not sorry. I am not sorry. Why should I be sorry for the truth? Why should I be sorry for the truth? I'm not sorry. I'm gonna show you guys one more video. I'm gonna show you guys another video where another one, they make her friend and the man run. I luck if the man could have swim. Him chuck off in a damn ocean. I saw him get from the people them. I'm gonna stay there. You know how I know you probably just wicked. Unwicked, you know? Unwicked. I'm gonna keep praying for you people. I swear, at this point, man, I don't want prayers, no, I don't want prayers. You want prayers. And I'm glad the thorns who was in my back. I'm glad someone gone. I'm glad someone gone. Because people like you didn't mean me well. You did not mean me well. I know what I love to see the people that come hurt me. I know what I love to see that shit happen to me. That's why many of you kept on encouraging. Yes, do it, done them. I don't know that I feel it. I mean, I'm a family them. Would it be when I feel it, or is it me or my family? When I wicked, when it's just like them, when it's just like the other oppressors, when it's no better than them too. When it's no better than the other oppressors, them too, out there oppressing people's lives and then pick their life. When I go away. Go away. When it's just like them, birds of a feather flock together. When they realize, they're not coming, they're not coming, because the North was just like the wicked them. What's called dead off people, what's called take people 3 pints. Or instigate other people to take other people's 3 points. And that's what I do. And this is what a lot of you out doing. Instigating platform holders to harm other people. And this you people are doing. And even if you think you're not doing it, trust me, you are doing it. You don't see it. But you not do it. Ona is doing it. And Ona also promoting people to come out here and do nastiness. Even if they not do it, they might do it. I want to promote them. So technically, I want to take blame too. All sides should take blame too. All sides. I mean, look at me. You know, if I had known, there is a page on here when my fee said I gave them a little bit of highlight when I was very popular. I gave them like a highlight. And for sister, the way that person tricked me, them take that highlight and be doing a lot of shit. God forbid that person go to somebody else out it too. I mean, I should take blame too, because me get a person to highlight too. I highlighted that person too. So I should take blame too. That's how I draw myself. I draw myself from everyone. I pull away from everyone. I distance myself from everyone. Even if you don't want to hear me, I don't care. Even if this means I am alone. Okay, great. Let me stand alone. I have sense. I speak very well. I know for a fact I speak better than all of your people who you support. All of them. None of them has the eloquence I have in me. None of them. I'm not asking me. I'm telling them. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you, none of them can speak like me. None of them. You hear me? That puts me in a different category. You understand? Yes, them have the followers. Yes, them have the numbers. Congratulations. I'm very happy. I'm very happy for all of them. However, when it comes to eloquence, them cannot beat me. None of them can beat me. None of them can beat me. So I'm very happy. I'm in my own lane by myself. Whether I'm down or not, I'm happy. Listen, you know, I really do hope 2025 do not come and you be still out here endorsing this shit, because God forbid, I'm telling you, I have heard many of them said, them nah stop till somebody 3 points is taken from them. And you know that the funny thing about this whole shit is some of this, yeah, it's sad. It's really sad. Me, I want to come to what I was say, oh, here today, gone tomorrow. Here today, gone tomorrow. You don't realize how close you are to going towards a creator. Not for you who's up there in that age bracket, you don't realize how close you are to going to meet your creator. And the time many of you are on social media just using your time every day to come out here to drag people, to threaten people, amongst other things. Why not find something more substantial to do with your life? Why come out here every day and just because hello, I'm not saying if a mix-up happens, you cannot talk about it, because this here is mix-up. This is mix-up. Even though it's a very bad mix-up, it is mix-up. This is a mix-up, but a very bad one. A very bad example of mix-up. Because someone has lost their 3 points and they will never come back in this world. Never. On an accident, this boy, he left a little baby. No more than 2 years, no more than 3 years old. No more than 3 years old. Let me get him 4. Let me get a baby 4. That baby will never see his or her dad again. You know why? Because the father, him take up badness. They part take up badness. And you could have seen, just by looking at this boy, you can see that boy there. Something bad is going to happen to him. Something bad is going to happen to that boy. His friend tried to pull him away from these people. The same way I'm trying to pull you away from these wicked people. Oh, now listen, but trust me, when I hear when someone gets really, really harmed. Oh God, I pray it never happens. I pray it don't happen. Me pray it don't happen. I pray it won't happen. I pray it will not happen. And if you guys think this is a joke, I think this is a joke. This is people's lives at risk here. People's lives, people's children's lives at risk here. Because most of you spend your time so invested in people, on a keep on investigating, what exactly on I try to accomplish out of all of these investigating people? I mean, remember one time, one of them put out an address I once stayed at. Mr. Bumbleclad, oh, you get it. Oh, shit. And you know how them get it? Because one woman called police for me, and me sign one order with one community resolution order with the police. Because I'm not going to talk with the woman again. And that police clearly sent my info to that woman, and that woman was able to send my info to a blogger on here, and that blogger said it was able to send to another blogger on here. And I'm telling you, them started threatening me. If I was not strong-willed, to not back down. But how do I know? How do I know these people could not have sent a mad person to come and hurt me? Me and one person one time, Dwayne, these people, they have some mad followers. you need to relax because God forbid you might be out on the street one day going to one of your appointments and they're gonna see you and they want to come and hurt you. You know, that person ended up deleting that, them delete the life of their page. And these said they was defending one blogger whom I was going back and forth with. Which means, Uno endorse violence. You people, you endorse people. You endorse violence. And endorsing violence should be the furthest thing from everyone's thoughts. We did not grow up unless you come from ghetto where you see these acts being committed day to day, or you only say over there so I want to get pie, over there so I want to get pie. But for me, I was raised. If I'm in that country, I am in Norbert Drive, Constant Spring. And this is my first move I got town. I'm move for this. I'm go down near Immaculate Constant Spring Terrace, and then we got Meadowbrook, right? Nightstill Drive to be exact. I've never lived in a ghetto in my entire existence. So I don't know how ghetto mentality is. I don't know. Me telling you one time, me got a Franklin town, go see one of my friend. Only God alone, Mr. Only Father God alone can come up with the crowd and tell him, say, that one over there, so, knock out when I'm friend down at Franklin town. I said, go, let's go draw the pipe up on a boy and for the people them. I swear to God, that day, my life, it flashed. For the first time in my life flashed, it was flashing for them, yeah, them. Cause the boy pull up on me in our mask and in bleach out, and what do when he come back down and say, ooh! I swear to God, I was so afraid. My little cousin Corey was no more than 10. My cousin Karen, she suffers from epilepsy. My cousin suffers from epilepsy. How do I know my cousin would have not collapsed when the people them pulled up the pipe? But how would I know my cousin would collapse that day? Because of one person's actions. And you know, to me, that is unforgivable. But see me, I can forgive and move on. Because it makes no sense me moving forward in my life and allowing wicked thoughts to linger in me because of people I don't know. And at least I should say thank you because me, my cousin, my cousin's son, and my driver, we left that place unharmed. Praise God. But how do we know it could have not went another way because of that one man's action? I'm saying, only God alone. Father God, if I tell a lie upon this man, only God alone can tell me it was not the man who done it. Only God alone can tell me who did do it. I am not wicked. I was not raised wicked. In fact, I'm a lover. I love to love people. I've been no say a wicked man wants to take my 3 points, my cousin 3 points, my driver 3 points, and my little cousin's son 3 points because my guy Frankie to go see my friend. I tell myself, now I will never go back. I will never go back to another ghetto area. Never. What me I go back this far? When me at Jamaica, I go nowhere past halfway tree. If me go, my father drive me, I'm still on that car till him come back, right? Or if I do go, I go with protection. I'm going to get my little forget and go right back uptown, right? These places are not my place. And I'm telling you, if you know that person, I'm saying only God alone come to cross and tell me that person did not orchestrate this shit. Only God alone can tell me he didn't do it. Because them times we was going through, you know, in my time, so one time, he's watching me. What me that, he might watch me. He could have told me that Richmond Estate. So what? I am not as invested in people's lives as these people are. So how do we know? How do we know that one of these they're mad and now kicking when they take them add substance and get mad out and come and say, okay, I could go down now one day and dopey that one day. I am not ready to be a damn dopey. And I'm sure no one else on here is ready to be a damn dopey until God is ready for us. And only God alone should make that final answer. You come home. You come home. You come home. Come home now. Only God alone should be allowed to make such decisions. not man, because we as human beings, we can't blow breath in people's lungs. Yes, we can help to create them, but we can't. And without God in the midst, without the good Lord in the midst, most of us, we come out here as stillborns. Correct me if I'm wrong. Without God in the midst, most of us come out here as stillborns. Only because of the grace of God, a lot of us actually make it through all of the trimesters till the day of giving birth. Who are we for what and say, yeah, we could take that one in life, I take that one there. Who are we? Are we God? Why is it okay for you people to continually endorse people who is this how we plan to live our lives? Endorsing people to do nonsense that may just end in someone 3 points being snatched from underneath them. Is this life? Is this what God placed you or I or any of us on here for? And this God put by for? To take people's lives?